This is a one owner 2009 Ford Fusion with 29,000 miles. In absolutely wonderful condition. One owner, no accidents. Alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. It's a midnight blue metallic. It's a super dark blue. In wonderful condition. One senior owner. You won't find a door ding on this thing. It is super clean. No hail, no accidents. Beige cloth interior, power seat, power windows, locks, mirrors. 29,470 miles. Original floor mats, manuals, keys, perfect Carfax report. Sony Sync, AM, FM, CD, MP3. Just a super clean car. Perfect student vehicle with 29,000 miles. How can you go wrong? So a 2009 Ford Fusion with 29,000 miles, one owner, in absolutely wonderful condition.